This is 400 watt surgical cautery, which is built into SMPS based machine. The body itself it's in plastic ABS material. In this machine you will find there is a on off switch button here. This is to on and off. This is the mains cord which you have to insert it here. The tuning knob is for the volume according to your requirement. Here in this machine, the total output, if you will find, it is 400 watt into the cut, 120 into the coagulation, and in bipolar you will get 80. This is the output which is set on the program 2. Here the port you will get active first. At the second you will find the this hand switch pencil, then the patient plate and bipolar, as well as two foot switch are given. One is the monopolar cut and coag, and this is the individual bipolar what we had given. So now we'll start with the machine how it operates. We'll fit the accessories first. Here there is a active handle with the cable cord. The cable cord is 3 meter long. Now we are just in uh, short cable. We had just done it for the demo. This is just a foot. Here is a bipolar cable cord, which will be giving you into 3 meters, but this is just for the demo purpose. You have to fit a bipolar here. These are the bipolar forceps. This is the Indian made powder coating, and this is nylon reusable autoclave. You can't autoclave the black powder coating one. The optional you can get with this machine is an active handle with the cable cord, as same how the plastic one is. This and the plastic one is one and the same, but we can give it optionally. The electrode sets are like this is for the wooden handle, and this is for the plastic one. It comes with this packing, reusable one. The tip cleaner is just to clean the moisture if it is found on the electrodes. These are the open one. This electrode you can use it into active chuck handle like this. This set of 4 electrodes will be given with the active handle, and this is for the wooden one. What optional, if you want you can buy it. This is the one. Now we'll be attaching a patient plate. For patient plate we'll be giving like this 3 meter long cable cord. Both the side two banana jack pins are there. So this we had made a smaller one just for the demo purpose. When you put on the patient plate, cable cord here, and when you attach it to the patient plate, you will find that this light indicator which is glowing, it will go off as soon as you connect the patient plate. Here you can see the patient plate indicator is gone. That is a hand switch given with the machine, disposable one. So this is for demo purpose. Hand switch pencil, you have to connect it to the machine here at the 3 port. With the machine actual output now it is showing like 400 at the cutting mode, because we are going to show it is like this much, it is going like 400. You have to come it down like according to your requirement. We are getting it down till Take like it will go till 25. This is into a cut mode. Even for the coagulation will come down with no need of keeping so much high output. Even this should come below 50. So fine, we'll check it out on the hand switch first. The yellow button which is given in the hand switch is for the cutting, and the blue one is for the coagulation. It is compulsory and strictly that you have to connect the patient plate to the body of the patient. So this is how you'll find the output in cutting mode, this mode, cutting mode, and in the blue you'll get it's for the coagulation. This is for the coagulation. The output is very much, you can make it accordingly what your requirement is there. This is how. Now we'll just connect a bipolar foot switch. This is the single pedal bipolar foot switch with two female holes, which you'll find a male pins here. You have to connect it accordingly, tight it properly. You have to operate it with the foot. This is the monopolar foot switch. Even this you have to connect it here. You will find the 3 holes in this connector and the 3 male holes in the machine port. You have to tight it properly. You can find how much thick the cable is. This is the branded Nidhi cable cord what we are using for the foot switch. It's a very hardcore. Now we are operating it with the foot switch. If I press a bipolar one, this bipolar light will glow. If I am using a monopolar, so the monopolar, bipolar and the cut it is operating. Yellow is for the cutting when you are operating with a foot control. Blue is for the coagulation, and this bipolar is given. This is for the forceps when you are using it. Already we had connected a chuck handle here. So now we will be operating it for the cutting mode, and for the even for the coagulation you can use the same monopolar coagulation mode. Now this is for the bipolar. I can use a single pedal foot switch bipolar. This is the bipolar one. Now we'll come to the features. The program first you'll get there are 4 windows in this machine. The first windows it will show the program. In this you can find there are upward and downward buttons. Now this is for it comes on 0. If you want to increase it, this is 1, 2, 3, it goes till 99 programs. Now you'll say that what is 99 program? The 99 program is what? Suppose doctor number 1, you take a gynecologist, doctor is coming and he is doing a surgery using a port in a cut mode. The output is 90, the coagulation is 36, the bipolar is 30. So It has been set on this port like 22, 25, 12, 20, and the second doctor is coming, is setting it onto like 9 orthopedic surgeon like 96, 120, 80, and after 2 3 years like this it can goes on till 99 program. 99 doctors can set their program on that, and suppose after a year or 2 years the doctor is coming and he is setting a program number 1. The last time what he had fitted into the memory of the machine, it will be there for the same time, and he'll get the same output. This is the program. Now the cut mode, this is the second cut mode. In this cut mode you will find there is pure cut, blend 1, blend 2, and endo cut. In this pure cut you will get 100% cutting. Okay, this is for only for the cutting, 100% cutting you will get. And the blend 2, this is for the cutting as well. In this you will get 70% cutting and 30% coagulation you will be getting. This is for the blood pressure patient. If he is having a high pressure, you can use it into this mode. Then blend 2, in this you will get 60% cutting, 40% you will be getting the coagulation. Endo cut, with the mode you can switch it to like pure cut, blend 1, blend 2, and endo cut. Endo cut is a function for the urology, which you can use for the laparoscopy, urology working element and all. This is the second port. With the mode you can switch it anywhere, from the spray, fulgurate, desiccate. Spray you can use a ballpoint electrode for the spray purpose. Fulgurate you can use a flat cutting electrode. Desiccate is for the neurosurgery point electrode, non-touch coagulation. This is the third port. In this you will get soft 1, force, and the cut. In the soft you can use it for the soft tissues, means the small tissues are there, you can use this mode. For the force you will get 100% bipolar coagulation you will be getting, and cut is for the bipolar seizure. Bipolar seizure, basically you have to use it into the bipolar. You can't use a bipolar forceps cable cord in this. You need a bipolar seizure for that. So this will be not providing, but optionally we can give it. So this is what the machine is. If anything is there, you can get in touch with us. Thank you so much.